Every large organization knows the pain. Onboarding a new supplier can feel like pushing paperwork through a maze, stretching weeks into months while the business waits. What if that entire journey could be compressed into hours without compromising a single compliance checkpoint? Our AI-powered vendor onboarding tool does exactly that, replacing email chains and spreadsheets with a simple, secure invitation that lands each supplier on a branded web portal. From the very first click, every interaction is captured in an audit-ready timeline. Suppliers follow a guided, self-service wizard that adapts to category, location, and risk profile, so they only see fields and document requests that truly apply to them. No more guesswork, no more missing attachments. Behind the scenes, document understanding models instantly classify each upload, company certificates, banking letters, tax clearances, then extract the crucial details with human-level accuracy. The system even recognizes expired stamps and blurred scans, prompting users to fix issues before they move on. Verification goes further. We cross-check registration numbers with live government registries, scan global sanction lists, and confirm that bank accounts actually belong to the submitting entity. Those tedious compliance checks that once drained entire afternoons now finish in seconds. If an exception does arise, both supplier and buyer see it immediately in their dashboards, complete with clear exception reason and next step instructions. Automated notifications keep momentum high and stop bottlenecks from hiding in inboxes. As data flows in, an AI risk engine scores every vendor across financial, ESG, and anti-bribery dimensions, surfacing high-risk cases to procurement and legal teams first. Your experts spend time where it matters, on judgment calls, not data hunting. Multi-level approval routing follows your exact delegation of authority rules, whether that's a single manager sign-off or parallel streams for finance, information security, and sustainability. Approvers see extracted data side by side with source documents, making decisions swift and fully informed. Once greenlit, an unattended bot writes a pristine vendor master into your ERP, attaches all supporting evidence, and confirms the new vendor ID to the supplier in real time. No rekeying, no duplicate records, no late-night data fixes. Every click, change, and approval is sealed in an immutable audit log, giving internal auditors and external regulators the evidence they demand, without a scramble for screenshots. Compliance becomes a built-in feature, not a fire drill. Analytics dashboards track cycle time, first-pass yield, and exception hotspots, turning procurement into a data-driven powerhouse. Continuous improvement loops finally have the numbers they need. Suppliers enjoy full transparency. They know exactly where they stand, what's pending, and who to contact, reducing call center load and boosting supplier satisfaction scores. A smooth start sets the tone for a long, collaborative relationship. IT teams appreciate the open architecture, REST and SOAP APIs first, with RPA fallback for legacy screens. So integration with SAP, Oracle, Dynamics, or any homegrown system is straightforward. Your existing landscape remains intact. Our tool simply fills the gaps. Security is non-negotiable. MFA, role-based access, encrypted storage, and annual penetration testing safeguard sensitive data across every region you operate. Tech privacy regulations from GDPR to POPIA are baked into the design. Whether you're onboarding a handful of boutique suppliers or thousands of strategic partners across multiple continents, the platform scales effortlessly thanks to elastic cloud services and containerized AI models. Performance stays sharp even during peak sourcing seasons. Deployment is rapid. Configure document sets, map approval paths, and go live in weeks, not quarters. Our success team partners with yours, sharing best practice playbooks and model tuning tips for lasting impact. The results speak for themselves. Onboarding lead times drop from a month to under 48 hours, manual data entry shrinks by 90%, and compliance rejection rates plunge. Procurement costs fall while operational resilience rises. By removing friction and adding intelligence, we transform vendor onboarding from a necessary burden into a strategic advantage. Your business gets trusted suppliers faster. Your suppliers get a first impression that inspires confidence. Ready to modernize how you welcome partners into your ecosystem? Let our AI-driven platform do the heavy lifting so your teams can focus on building value, not paperwork.